In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Lucidchart file. First, open the diagram you want to download inside the Lucidchart editor. This is important because the save and export options are handled from within the document itself, so you'll want to be working directly inside the file you need. Before exporting anything, it helps to understand how Lucidchart normally saves your work. Lucidchart automatically saves your progress in real time while you edit, so in most cases you do not need to manually save the file the way you would in some other programs. If you want to confirm that everything has been saved, make a small change to your diagram and then look toward the top left area of the menu bar. You should see a cloud icon with a check mark, which means your changes have been saved successfully. If you see a loading icon instead, that simply means Lucidchart is still saving your latest updates. It's a good idea to wait a moment until the save completes before moving on. If your goal is to keep a physical copy on your computer, what you actually need to do is export the document. In other words, Lucidchart saves your work online automatically, but exporting is the step that creates a downloadable file you can store locally or share outside the platform. To do that, stay inside the editor and look to the left side of the top menu bar for the hamburger icon. Click it to open the menu. From the drop-down, hover over exports, and then choose the file format you want. Depending on your needs, you can select options like PDF, PNG, including versions with or without a transparent background, JPEG, or SVG, also with or without a transparent background. Choose the format that works best for how you plan to use the diagram. After you select your file type, the page will reload and display a preview of your diagram. On the right-hand panel, you'll see export settings that let you fine-tune the results. You can change the file format if needed, choose whether to export the full canvas, crop to content, or use a custom crop. You may also have options such as setting the page size and including page fill. These settings are helpful if you want the final file to look cleaner, fit a specific layout, or avoid extra blank space. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the top right and click Download. And that's it. Your Lucidchart file will be saved to your computer in the format